the internet lifestyle is possible. Free training series reveals everything how to earn a six-figure side income online, step by step. Introducing the Super Affiliate System. By a world phenomenon, previously homeless, featured in Forbes, Entrepreneur, Fast Company, and Inc. A world phenomenon who was originally a medical test subject who hated his job, and major pharmaceutical companies tested their new pills on him. Change your life and get something you have never had. Training session is free for the next few days. Take action today. Learn how a 28-year-old medical test subject turned internet millionaire. Click the link in the description below to read the full story.